Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I got a tilapia from a wet market this morning. So I'm going to make it into a lime steamed fish. Okay? So first of all, of course, you want to wash your tilapia fish thoroughly. Yeah, I hope this tilapia doesn't have any muddy taste. Sometimes it's 50-50 chance. Okay, so then I actually butterfly cut it so that it's easier to steam, and I make few slits on the fish body and put few pieces of ginger on top. Of course, quickly we can marinate it with a little bit of fine salt like this. Okay, make sure you wash away the fish kidney. All right, that is the source of fishiness. For those who don't know what is fish kidney, it is actually the meat. If you flip over the fish, the middle blood stain of the fish, that is fish kidney. Okay, always remove that. Then let's take a look at our ingredient here. Of course, I have lime. I put a lime here just for the sake of showing you what a lime really looks like. For those who don't know it is bigger than calamansi, smaller than lemon. We just needed the juice, so I already gotten the lime juice here, yeah, from one piece of lime. Then we have a lot of minced garlic and a little bit of minced chili, yeah, red chili here. And of course, we need some seasoning, some sugar, salt, fish sauce, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, and some water. Basically, these two come together will give you chicken stock. So I'm basically telling you, you need chicken stock. It would be better to have chicken stock. All right, I preheated my steamer. I think everyone needs a steamer like this. So nice to be used. All right, I'm going to steam it for like about 9 to 10 minutes. And let's quickly go and make the lime sauce. All right, get a pan. Let's put in some filtered water. First thing, I'm going to turn it into chicken stock. So I'm going to add in some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder and finishing this bottle. Those interested, you can get the chicken powder either from Shopee Singapore or Shopee Malaysia or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Okay. Then I'm going to give it a little bit of fine salt. Some fine sugar, garlic, and also chili. You like spicy, you put chili padi. Few dashes of premium fish sauce. You don't really need to cook this, you just need to heat it up, that's it. Basically, you want your garlic. I mean, personally, I prefer my garlic to be still taste like raw, yeah? Last but not least, lime juice. So now, after adding in the lime juice, you can off the fire. You just use the residual heat to continue cook through. And feel free to use salt and sugar to adjust to taste. It's supposed to be sourish, followed by some sweetness and savory. Right, so this is after about close to coming to 10 minutes actually, yeah? Okay, wow. Wow, the fish is nice. So there's a lot of fishy water there. I'm going to throw away the fishy water. That is another source of fishiness. So I'm going to take out the fish. Right, I've removed the ginger, I've removed the fishy water. Next thing, very simple. Just drench the fish with the sauce that we just prepared. Right, and then I'm going to garnish it with some fresh coriander. Done. That's how simple it is to make a lime steamed fish at home. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.